Hi, my name is Jason Woods and welcome to Chasing the Apex. Behind me I have a McLaren 570S, courtesy of YC Auto Group. Now, McLaren would say this is the sports car of their lineup, right? So let's talk about that for a second. At 562 horsepower, 443 foot-pounds of torque. I like the Vorsteiner wing on this, by the way. That's really cool. I'm sorry, I've gotten off topic. But calling it a sports car is akin to calling a lion the least dangerous animal in the jungle when there's a tank there. We're gonna go find out how good it actually is, though, because here on Chasing the Apex, we talk about the emotion that driving brings. Thank you for joining.
Hi, my name's Jason Woods. Welcome to Chasing the Apex. I am in a McLaren 570S. Who would have ever thought, who would have ever dreamed that a year from starting the channel, I'd be running around chasing canyons in a McLaren 570S. God, this is good. And it's really, I mean, God, what an experience. The brakes are phenomenal. And I'm really just getting right into it. Sorry, guys. I mean, I know I normally talk for like 2 hours about how something looks or what it is. I don't have time for that today. I've got a turbo blowing off in my ear. You know, it's a V8 twin turbo in an all-carbon fiber monocoque with electric steering assist. But it does not feel like it's assisted at all. You really do feel like you're in control. It's a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, twin turbo V8, and it's an absolute monster. It weighs just over 3,000 pounds. I want you guys to do that math for me just real quick. All you specs guys, you probably are putting this together. This is an absolute beast. Any more horsepower and it would be absolutely undrivable. And it's funny to me, you know, people get in these cars and they're like, oh my God, no air conditioning. One word for you: race car. So this time I took the time. I read some of the reviews and I'm like, okay, they're talking about turbo lag. I'm driving it today, right now, and I'm telling you, if you're using the paddle shifters, there is absolutely no turbo lag. It's absolutely immediate. This goes back to how the reviewer, how the journalist is driving the car. If you're driving it in automatic to get ice cream, there probably is. But if you're taking it out and you're putting it on a spirited run, absolutely not. It's absolutely brilliant. It's absolutely beautiful. It's just phenomenal. You'll be praying to the petrol gods. That's what's going to happen here. You're going to be thanking the petrol gods that McLaren created this. And you'll be wondering why it wasn't in your life for every moment. You're going to be going to your garage and you're going to find everything that is sellable. You're going to want to live off top of ramen for 12 or 13 or 24 or whatever months it takes to have this in your possession. That's how brilliant it is. At 3,000 pounds, a little over, right, 3,100 pounds. I mean, this thing is an absolutely ferocious creature. And I'm having a hard time in this review because I want to just shut up and turn off the camera and drive. I mean, it's light, it's nimble, and it's just absolutely ferocious. You're gonna want this. You're gonna want to play with this, and it's an absolutely dramatic experience. The steering wheel shaped perfectly, and you guys hear me say that. You guys hear me talk about steering wheels a lot, and it's because there's a tactile feedback that happens here. This is where what really truly connects you. that experience. The McLaren does that. This is an experience like I've never had. And I haven't driven everything, I agree, but this is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm absolutely mind blown. Again, the British have taken it and they own it. This is absolutely brilliant. Absolutely beautiful. And you get in this, I mean, you get in the all carbon fiber monocoque. I mean, there is Alcantara everywhere. Now, the Alcantara and carbon fiber is just everywhere. And it's very theatrical, but you know what? It looks as if it's functional. In most cars, you get in and you're like, well, the Alcantara, you know, it looks fragile. Not in this car. The Alcantara just looks like a functional creation, like it's meant to drive. And I think that's what McLaren did here. McLaren went, meh, let me give you a supercar for the road, and we're just gonna call it a sports car. And I gotta tell you, manufacturers, if you're listening to me, if you're hearing me, if you're gonna lie to me, this is how you do it. You lie to me by telling me it's not as good as it is, and then put me in the driver's seat. Surprise me, and then watch everybody change their mind. Because that's what needs to occur, and that's what the McLaren 570S does. And cars like this, I gotta tell you, man, they're for more than cars and coffee, right? They're for more than going to the Starbucks. These are for going out and wrecking shop on a canyon road or in a track. Now, mind you, I'm very blessed. I have twisty bits of road everywhere around me. And it's one of the benefits of being a Californian. I get to go out and just enjoy myself a great deal. I was gonna go out and say be criminal, but I don't know if I should put that on camera. So yes, it's pretty. Yes, it's theatrical. Yes, it's a work of art. But the real question is what it's designed to do is this. It's designed to transition well. It's designed to go into sweepers well. It's designed to go deep into turns. It's designed to absolutely engage you and swallow every bit of road in front of you. And God forbid, the only thing you're gonna hate about this car, I promise you, are slower drivers in front of you. The twin clutch transmission is like, I don't know if I like plugged my brain in here. It's faster than I'll ever be. I mean, I literally just thought about downshifting and it downshifted. It's just wild. And the sound, oh my God, the sound. So let's do some expectation settings here, right? You're gonna get in this, and if you're looking for comfort, the seats are, yes, they're very comfortable. But, I mean, let's face it, did you get in a 3,100 pound, 562 mid-engine monster for comfort? Did you? Because I gotta hear that conversation. We have to have a beer if that's the case. Me? No, not even a little bit. I'm gonna enter this turn way too fast, and I'm going to get on the brakes way too hard, and I'm going to go uphill, and in this camber change, I'm gonna hear it sing to me. I'm gonna hear that blow-off valve going nuts! Oh my God, oh God, this is beautiful. McLaren, I love you. I love you! Okay, McLaren, I'm talking to you people directly. I know you're never gonna see this, but if you're gonna lie to me, this is the way you lie to me. So you told me it was a sports car. I'm telling you right now, this is a race car. Absolute race car built up for the street. And if you're gonna lie to me, oh man, what a beautiful lie. I'll take that lie any day of the week. What an engaging experience. So McLaren, if you're hearing me, absolutely brilliant. Brilliant. So I honestly don't know what people think when they get in supercars. I don't know, right? So there's a tendency to like, I don't watch a lot of videos, and I don't watch a lot of videos because it like clouds my thoughts. But there's like a tendency to like go through tunnels and like rev your engine, which is fine. That's fine, but that's not driving, and that's not, you know, that doesn't really portray what a supercar does. And I don't care what McLaren says, this is a supercar. It's absolutely a brilliant supercar. And I'm afraid they've all been lying to you. I think they were underhyping this. Oh God, it just sounds amazing. God, I think they were underhyping the 570S so they could sell more of the 650S. But they didn't give you anything bad here. This is absolutely beautiful. And God, I want it. Jiminy Christmas. It transitions well. I mean, but I kind of expect it to, right? I expect a 3,100 pound, you know, 500 horsepower supercar to transition well. I do. And I'm such a child because that's all I want to do right now is turn off my cameras and just go chase canyons. I do. It's so phenomenal. The brakes are good. And I love the interior. I don't care what you say. You hate it, that's fine. I love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. The seats hold you in place. I mean, it's got great bolstering, but you're not gonna care. You're not gonna pay attention to it. All you're gonna do is go find the twistiest bit of road you can find. And it's going to be smile per gallon. I'm gonna steal that from my friend. Smile per gallon. That's what the 570S does, to quote my friend Uwe. You know, this car brings many, many smiles per gallon. People say confidence inspiring. Reviewers throw it all the time. I mean, journalists use it too much. This is not that. This is more than confidence inspiring. This is connection. This is emotion. That's what they did here. They inspired you. As soon as you hit that first corner, you know you are a part of the experience. And that's what the 570S does. It makes you a part of it. You are one with the machine. And you can feel that. And you can just feel that the moment you turn.
The YC Auto Group for making this happen. Without you, none of this would occur. They allow us to bring you guys great content like this. So do me a favor, check them out. If you're in the area, stop in, say hello, tell them Jason says hello. And thanks for watching Chasing the Apex, and we'll see you next week.